whatever it is that you're comfortable with, and that will just open the pathways to new beginnings for you. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much, Naipur.
Wonderful. Let's read for Pragya, Mugda's sister. Pragya, any question?
Hi, Pragya.
No, just a general reading.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Pragya, for you, I'm getting a good flow of abundance entering your life. And I am getting again that use your intelligence. You are super intelligent. Please use that to move ahead in life, because that is going to get you the money that you're aiming for, that level of ambition that you have. So your intelligence is the thing that's going to get you there. So please do that. Please do some chanting, some meditation, whatever you like, and that is going to really open up the flow for you. Whatever there.
Rita, can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. Can you mute yourself, please? I'm going to mute every one of you. Please unmute yourself, Binaifa. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Brilliant.
So, yeah. So just enjoy this journey.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's go to the next person, Ankita. Ankita. Ankita.
Ankita, any question?
Nothing in general, just a normal reading.
Oh.
Wonderful.
Ankita, if you're feeling very stifled right now, if you're feeling like, a lot of things are just not working around you at home, just do a lot of meditation in the form of listening to music or just scribbling on paper. Do anything that will help you release this stuck up energy that is there within you. And there is a beautiful spiritual journey waiting to unfold in your life. So please embrace that. Don't be scared of that. It's not that if you're going to go the spiritual path, you're going to leave your family and you're going to ignore them. That's not the case. This line goes beautifully together with your family, and you can manage both as well. So don't ignore that. Go and follow your passion. If you are interested in any spiritual modality or any healing modality, just do that for yourself, and that will really. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Let's read for Anil Doshi. Anil, could you unmute yourself and just say a hi to us? Thank you.
Hi, Anu.
Hi.
The question is like, I always, get a setback in my business life. There's something positive happening and then suddenly things start going wrong. Like, for example, during this Corona period, I'm into travels, basically holidays. So I was just settling into the business and suddenly this Corona setback came and again, everything got disturbed. And we don't even know when it's going to again take it back to normal.
Absolutely.
And I'm just entering into a new business. Should I enter into a new business now? Or should I plan something right now, or I should wait?
Wonderful. So, if Binaifa, you could read for Anil and for his business.
Yeah.
Thank you. Isn't Binaifa brilliant?
Sure. 130 sessions speak for itself.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, there is someone on Facebook also who wants reading to be done. Sneha. So we'll get a reading done for you, Sneha, just after this.
Anil, for you, I am getting that things will start opening up after around 3 months for you. So between 3 to 6 months, things are looking on the brighter side, and you need to somewhere it is related to your family also. So the more at ease you are with your family, the more at ease the business will be for you. So just try and see where this context is, how you can merge these two. Maybe somebody is trying to give you some advice from the family and you're unable to accept it because you might have a conflict of interest with them, but just hear them out, look at their perspective of what they're trying to say, and things can get much better sooner than predicted. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Wonderful. We have Sneha on Facebook who also wants reading. So if you can go ahead and do a reading for her, a general reading. Thank you.
Sneha, for you, I'm getting you're feeling very blocked all over and you feel very scattered. Your energies feel very scattered right now. You're having a tough time at home and, trying to go with the flow is very difficult for you. And because of that, you have somewhat become very serious and pretty withdrawn. So just try and be happy, do whatever that makes you happy, and money is there. I'm getting a money flow for you which is opening up very beautifully. Just de-stress yourself and just let things flow, and that is how you're going to get back on track. Thank you.
Wonderful. And that was for Sneh on the Facebook. We have another reading that is required for Mr. AA. I don't know what the name is, but it says that I'm planning to start. If you can unmute yourself and please speak for yourself, that would be brilliant. Wonderful. Mr. AA, I don't know whose cell this is. You have asked for a reading and you said, I'm planning to quit my job and start a new venture in the world of education. When is the good time to start? You're most welcome.
Okay, you'll need to wait for at least a year to start that. At least 8 months. You start 8 months from now, and then you can move ahead because it's showing quite a few hiccups on the way. So just try and take it easy and try and see all the perspectives, like, just really study what you're getting into and take everyone's point of view into consideration before you start. And you will really need to work with a lot of gut feeling also, and a lot of advice and a lot of knowledge from the market before you get into this. So wait for around 6 to 8 months and only then start doing this officially. And if you're asking for the inflow of money, yes, that is also there. It will take some time, but you will get there. Thank you.
Wonderful. That was brilliant. Thank you. There is, he's saying thank you to you. Priyanka is the next, Priyanka Pragya. He's saying, I want reading done for my career. So please go ahead. Yes, you can get the Zoom link. Just give me a minute, sending you the Zoom link right away. Nutan, can you put the 1 minute? I'll just pick it up from here.
Priyanka, for you, for your career right now, it is good. You might have to maybe travel there's a possibility of travel, and because your family may not be too happy right now with that, it could be a problem. But it's okay. Just take your time, see how safe things are and how things are going. And there are certain blocks, you will need to clear them. You will need to work a lot on yourself to get to that level where you're looking at. So right now I am seeing a couple of blocks, but it's also showing that it will open up. It will take time, but it will open up. But please work on yourself with whatever modality you know to just clear yourself and just come out of it in a much better way. Thank you.
Wonderful. And let's go for one more person's reading. And then let's do the reading for Mugda's better half. They've just got married, so let's do a gift for him too. Thank you. Could you unmute yourself and just say a hi? Thank you.
Hi, I'm so sorry. I was finding the mute button. Hello.
No problem. Thank you so much. If you could just do a reading for him, that would be brilliant.
Yes. Any questions?
No, nothing in specific. Maybe general
Okay.
or career-wise.
You're in demand today, my dear Binaifa. You could just take it and use it. Yeah.
For you, I'm getting career-wise, there is showing a good growth, but it's gonna still take a little while. Use your intuition to play your cards well. You will really need that, and try to see things at a different perspective. So it's not like I'm telling you to be a yes man, but just see where your positive are, where your strong points are. So go with that, and things are gonna really improve. I'm getting a really good time for you. Money may or may not come in so soon, but yes, you know, you will grow in your career. You will grow. There is growth. And for you, again, I'm getting, you need to do some chanting. You need to do some sort of de-stress where, you know, things start moving in the positive for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. We have Shilpa who is asking for a reading. Shilpa, if you can unmute yourself and say a hi. Thank you. Anybody
Yeah, hello.
else? Yeah, hi. Hi. How are you doing?
Hi, any questions?
I'm good.
Any questions?
Any questions?
No, nothing specific. Just
Okay.
anything.
Wonderful. A special request, please, all of you mute yourself, or I will have to mute you from here. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're so pretty. Binaifa, I've muted you, so please unmute yourself.
Sorry. Okay. Shilpa, for you, I'm getting certain blocks as far as money is concerned, as far as a lot of things are concerned. You might be feeling a little suffocated right now, but you just need to follow your intuition. You're getting certain messages, you're getting that gut feeling that this is what I need to do, but somewhere you're ignoring it. So please go with the flow, go ahead and do that, and things are going to improve. You just need a little nudge. You know, you just need to nudge yourself actually to get that back, to get the flow back. And for you, again, I'm getting there is somebody in your life who is very good at giving you advice, and you just need to follow their advice, where as far as maybe money is concerned, as far as just in general, whatever, you know, life is concerned. So please follow their advice, and things will open up for you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. If you can do a reading for the whole group, thank you. And then we start with Mugda's talk. Please, I'm requesting all of you to mute your mics. Binaifa, I'm again muting. Please unmute yourself. Yes.
So for the whole group, I have got, we need to open ourselves to a lot of receiving. We have still blocked our receiving. We just somehow can't receive. It's really tough for us. So we need to open our receiving. We need to see things from a different perspective, and we need to walk the spiritual path. There is right now no other way around it. We just need a lot of grounding. We need to learn to be ourselves, which we are not. And once we do that, things will start getting back to normal and even better than normal. So just have fun being yourself. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Vinayfer, and thank you for constantly being there to support everyone.
Thank you.
Love you guys,
Always
and
love you too.
thank you.
Thank you.
I'm going to call my next speaker,